All right, number 6. Find the standard form for the ellipse. If you have a question on the test that says, is this an ellipse, you can tell already that it's going to be, because you have x squared, you have y squared, and you have them adding. That's it. So this is an ellipse, and now we're going to get it in standard form. And that's something over something plus something over something is equal to 1. We just have to come up with this from completing the square. So let's go ahead and start. Put all our x's to one side. We have 36x squared. Put all of our y's to one side. So I'm going to take out this 4. And I'm going to move this original constant to the right side. Can someone tell me what should go in here for the rest of these x's, knowing that I GCF'd out this 36? 4 minus 4? 4x, right? And then how about y-y's? I GCF'd out this 4. What's going to stay in? Someone said it. 12. But a positive or a negative? Negative 12. Because I GCF'd out, you see this 4x squared or 4y squared and this 48? I'm basically combining all of my y's together, and then I'm GCFing out, pulling out a positive 4 that you see right here. And when you pull out a positive 4, it's like you're dividing both of these by 4, and that's how you get this, this negative 12 right here. Cool. Alright, so let's complete the square. My coefficients of x and y squareds are both 1. I can complete the square now. So I'm going to gravitate again to that b term. So here we go. Negative 4 divided by 2 is 2. Squared is 4. So it'll be plus 4, which is actually how much? Not plus 4. I didn't just tip the seesaw by 4. I tipped it by a lot more. 144. It was a positive here, so I'm going to add it to the right side. Okay? How many y-y's am I going to end up adding in that box? 12 divided by 2 is, and squared, 36. But it's not just a matter of adding 36. It was a matter of adding how much? 144 again. So this will give me to 0 and then 144. And I should have something that looks like this. The coefficient left out here was 36. The coefficient out here was 4. It is, what's in parentheses? Y'all tell me. What's in parentheses for the x? X minus 2. How about for the y? 4 minus 6. Good, good. And right now it's almost an ellipse. What number up there shows that it's not an ellipse quite yet? 144. We want it to be 1. So we are going to divide by whatever that number is to get it to 1. And now we're going to see what do these fractions reduce to in our calculator. Just don't press Control Enter. And we 436. Now these are coincidentally just the other one. It's not like that all the time. Okay? So we'll have x minus 2 quantity squared over 4 plus y minus 6 quantity squared over 36 is equal to 1. Okay, let's get a little bit in autopilot mode. We know from this equation that I'm going to need to get 3 letters. Okay, what's A? Okay, is A always x? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay, so A is 2. What's B? 6. So here we go. This is an ellipse where size matters. So to get C, it's going to be the big squared minus the small squared. You see what I'm saying? You can think a squared minus b squared in absolute value. It's still going to be the same thing. All right, so it's going to be the big squared, which is 6 squared, minus the small squared. Take the square root That's C. You with me? So that's root 32, which some of you might look at that and say, ooh, that's right, right? 36 minus 4, root 32. Some of you might look at that and say, that's 16 times 2. So I can bring out that 16 as 4. If you put this on the test, I'm going to probably grade your other stuff a little bit easier and nicer because you were simplifying some stuff. But root 32 is just as full credit. Okay? So here we go. Let's draw this a little bit. Is this going to be a horizontal or a vertical ellipse? It's going to be a vertical. Why is it going to be a vertical? Because the B is bigger and size matters. Okay? So it's going to be up and down. The center is going to be at 2, 6. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the center. And it's going to go up and down a certain amount. So let me pull this down. Right there. And it's going to go from this center of 2, 6. It's going to go up and down 2. True or false? That's false. Some people are paying attention. This is not going up and down 2. This is going what? Left and right 2 because A is X. It is a lot to remember, but again, it could be worse. You could not have your formula chart. So this is going to be 2 left and right. And from that point, it's going to be 6 up and down. So what is it? All the way to 0, and all the way to 12. And that kind of looks like the ellipse. Okay? What are the vertices? Remember, the vertices are the ones that also contain the foci, those C terms. Okay? So if the center was 2, 6, and I went down 6, can someone tell me what this point is right here? 2, 0. What would this one be over here? 2, 12. So vertices, we're going to say the smaller one or the lower one. What does it say? Answers are smallest to largest, x-wise. And from smallest to, so it'll be 2, 0 and 2, 12. With me? And hopefully you're filling in your homework right now if you're not done with your homework in website. You're just doing that with me at the same time. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Foci. The C is root 32. So from this center, I'm going to go up. From this center, I'm going to go up and down root 32. So here we go. So going down would be 2, 6 minus root 32. And going up would be 2, 6 plus root 32. Eccentricity. Eccentricity will tell you if it's a parabola, if E is 1. If E is less than 1, it will tell you it's an ellipse. And if E is bigger than 1, it will tell you that it is a hyperbola. So looking at this is the equation for some reason that got stuck with me in college when I was doing eccentricity with Calc 3. It's C over A, but I like it for you, not C over A, but C over what? The bigger. C over the bigger. So this is in the ellipse, size matters, so C is going to be over the bigger. Which one's bigger, A or B in this case? B. So we're going to put 6 there. We're going to put C as root 32. And root 32 over 6 is fine. Questions? Okay, yeah, the vertices will be, I need to look at my standard and know that size matters. So the 36 is up and down. That one's bigger. So the vertices are going to be the ones that are up and down from that center, not the left and right. Questions? All right.